No CM announcement yet. Suspended animation recommended in Manipur. President's rule not yet. CLP leader Okrami Bobi criticizes resignation of Chief Minister and Birain just a day before scheduled assembly sessions, calling it a disrespect to the public and their grievances. Rajya Sabha MPs Laisemba Sana Jauba demands proper implementations of Manipur Merger Agreement 1949 during the budget session 0 hour in Parliament today. And district administrations across Manipur observe Safer Internet Day 2025 on Together for a Better Internet theme. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm BABINA HAJARIMAYUM bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Suspended animation has reportedly been recommended for Manipur, though President's rule has not been imposed yet, according to Impact News sources. Earlier speculations were rife about the announcement of a new Chief Minister, but as of late evening, no official declaration was made. Amid the political uncertainty, BJP Manipur in charge Sambit Patra held a series of one-on-one closed-door meetings with key BJP leaders, including State BJP President HAJARIMAYUM Sharda, ministers and MLAs at Imphal Hotel North AOC earlier today. In the morning, Sambit Patra met Transport and Veterinary Minister Kashim Vasum, Water Resource and Relief and Disaster Management Minister Awangbo Nyumai, Kakching MLA Mayanglambam Rameshwar and Hairok MLA Thokchom Radhesham. Post-lunch was held the discussions with Ketrigao MLA Sig Nurul Hassan, Patsoi MLA Sapam Keba, Health and Family Welfare and IPR Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, and Lamlai MLA KH Ibomcha. No official statement was made regarding the meeting agenda, but sources indicate discussions focus on key political developments and the possible appointment of a new chief minister. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Patsoi MLA Sapam Keba said the centre has not disclosed or instructed anything regarding the appointment of a new CM so far. He added that he was invited to the meeting by the BJP Manipur in charge and that he would abide by the centre's decision.
That is not my 11th. I don't have to comment on that because I don't have to select them. I think centre will decide everything. Whatever the centre says, we will abide by that comment and instruction. That's all. I think the High Command will decide everything. We have to wait. That is up to them to decide.
Have you been
what are the things to be done?
Have you been told anything from High Command or?
Nothing. Not yet.
Have you been called in Delhi or?
No, not yet.
Not at all.
BJP Manipur in charge Sambit Patra, BJP Manipur Pradesh President HAJARIMAYUM Sharda and a few MLA met with Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala at Raj Bhavan this evening. According to Impact News source, MLA Konthausam Govindas, MLA Awangbo Nyumai, MLA TH Basanta Kumar, MLA TH Radheshyam and MLA Abdul Nasir were present at the meeting, which started at 4:30 p.m. and went on for about half an hour. It is still unclear what were discussed during the meeting, since no media persons were allowed inside the premises. After the meeting, the members led by BJP State in charge Sambit Patra made no comments to questions raised by media persons. Former Chief Minister and Congress Legislative Party CLP leader Okrami Bobi criticizes the resignation of Chief Minister N. Birain just a day before the scheduled assembly sessions, calling it a quote-unquote disrespect to the public and their grievances. Addressing the media at his official residence in Babupara today, Ibobi accused the ruling BJP government of political maneuvering that has further deepened the crisis in the state. He condemned the imposition of any meted suspensions in Manipur, stating that it was untimely and that a new chief minister could have been appointed before the sessions. He also warned that if President's rule is imposed in the state, despite the absence of a constitutional crisis, it would only worsen the sufferings of the people. Ibobi alleged that the violence that erupted on May 3, 2023 was premeditated, pointing to the appointment of a retired IPS officer as security advisor the next day as proof. He accused the government of ignoring the people's cries for over 2 years, leading to countless deaths and destructions of homes. Taking a dig at the center, Ibobi stated, "Forget about the past, it's better to die than to allow Manipur to suffer like this." He also questioned the frequent visits of state leaders to Delhi, alleging that the centre remains indecisive on Manipur's political future. Ibobi warned that Congress would not remain silent if President's rule is ever imposed and called on the centre to take decisive actions. He asserted that unless the BJP government acknowledges its failure, Manipur will continue to suffer.
Procedure da yadadana animated suspension toba matam khargi arrangements de adu madu su tobham thokti ne khalle maram di sufficient time le darka le ga even midnight to wasa halina leader ama moi manung digi khanja gadabni aduna sidai da tho ning da ba Manipur gi praja sing da ot nei ga ba constitutional crisis le su na ta ba lehan na ba tora aga PR thamma khotpa torok ba tar ga di Manipur gi praja sing na ai di khang ba yam na wa ga to ba male center gi mi se Manipur gi praja sing se kaisu usitaba karimta mi oina thadaba khandaba masigumba sidi aigi di pangdaba haigadra mature oidaba haigadra aidi sigumba si khangba yamna waiba pham kasu darka oidieba praja Manipur gi praja sing da yengiba miyeng se masidi sorry I can't tolerate.
Rajya Sabha MP Lecemba Sanajauba demands proper implementations of Manipur Merger Agreement 1949 during the budget session's 0 hour in Parliament today. He asserted that despite India's official stance, the 1949 Merger Agreement remains unacknowledged in many aspects, leading to socio-economic, cultural and political challenges for the people of Manipur. Sanajauba reiterated that Manipur was an independent sovereign country for over 2,000 years before signing the Merger Agreement in 1949. However, he pointed out that India's governance has overlooked the agreement's provisions, especially last para of Article 8, which mandates special measures for Manipur's development. The MP urged the government to rectify this historical oversight by implementing the necessary provisions to uplift Manipur's socio-economic and political status. He also emphasized the need for increased representations of Manipuris in public services and stronger legal safeguards to address the state's unique historical and cultural identity.
But Manipur became a part of India in 1949 under an agreement called the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. However, for the last many decades, the previous government never tried to honor or address this agreement, and it really hurts the sentiments and pride of the Manipuris.
Former Manipur Human Rights Commission's MHRC member Yambem Laba apologized for making derogatory remarks against Pambai-led United National Liberation Front UNLF. The insurgent group, currently engaged in peace talks with the government, presented him before the media at an undisclosed location in Imphal West District, where he admitted his mistake. Laba acknowledged that he had wrongly labelled UNLF as a surrendered group during a TV discussions program. He also admitted to making accusations against the group for allegedly pressuring him to delete a Facebook post questioning whether authorities plan to exchange. T-Mark Haukip, who is in custody with 2 Meitei youths abducted by members of the Kuki community on October 2, 2024. Expressing regret, Yambem Laba declared that his statements during the discussions were false and announced that he would no longer participate in TV debates in the future.
Julepu aina maranghan putang at Thanga group aina haibadu ay aranbani ay asoybani madu ay withdraw tawzare lale HAJARIMAYUM da Unilever amasung Manipur mayam da aduga maranghan aina TV discussion amada haukiba chai October kitang ani da pangpopi da soidana pharu Meitei aniga uki trama thoi amasung ma haukip yauna kusinargadra haina irubadu da ungdang da Facebook post lokto uwaidana lakiba kulai paiba sangadu makoina akoi Unilever Pambai Hain Hiram give late, and what I know some hard, one of them high keep whether the Matanasu a lane, Hajari.
Tensions escalated in Moirangkampu, Imphal East as locals staged protests today, condemning the brutal killing of an 18-year-old youth by unidentified assailants. Members of local clubs and Mairapaibi groups from Tin Seat Road to Kamu Chingzin staged a protest meet at Moirangkampu Khewa Bazar, Thongkong. The deceased, identified as Laisra Malemnganba, son of late El Ibomcha of Moirangkampu Awang Laikai, was shot dead in broad daylight yesterday afternoon. According to reports, Malemnganba had stepped out with his elder brother on a bike when four unidentified men stopped them and opened fire. He was killed on the spot while his brother managed to escape as the attackers attempted to shoot him. A joint action committee has been formed in connection with the killing. JSC convener Moirangthem Surkumar has demanded the arrest of the culprits within 24 hours, warning that the JSC will not claim the body otherwise. He also called for a clarification regarding social media claims suggesting that Malemnganba's brother was the intended target. Meanwhile, police have resisted a case and launched an investigation into the incident. Acting on credible intelligence, a combined team of Commando Imphal East and 5/9 Gorkha Regiment conducted a search operations at Itham Uyok Hill Range near Bongbal Kulen village, Imphal East District at around 7:10 a.m. today. During the operation, security forces recovered and seized a cache of arms, ammunitions and explosives at the foothill of Itham Uyok Hill around 8 a.m. The recovered items include 2 country-made automatic rifles without magazines, 1 heavy caliber 81mm launcher, 1 65mm mortar, 1 2-inch mortar, 1.303 bolt action rifle, 1 pump action gun and 1 shell, 4 Chinese grenades, 1 explosive device weighing approximately 2.5 kg, 1 radio set with charger, 10 live .303 rounds and 2 live 12-bore cartridges. The seized items have been handed over to Taubal Dam police stations for further legal actions. Manipur police arrested 2 accused active cadres of proscribed KCP Apunba from Rupmahal Theatre area under city police stations in Imphal West District yesterday. The arrested individuals are 22-year-old Hauba Malemnganba and 18-year-old Saruk Ahmad. According to police report, the duo was involved in extortion activities, demanding money from shopkeepers and vendors in the area. During the operations, police recovered 2 mobile handsets, a side bag and a 2-wheeler from their possession. Thanga Apunba Mairapaibi Lup sealed the office of Thanga Primary Health Center PHC at Khabrang Chingzeng Thanga constituency in protest against the absence of doctors. Protesters condemned the lack of medical personnel which has severely affected patient care. According to reports, out of the 6 doctors posted at the PHC, 3 are currently on leave for PG courses, while contractual Dr. KH Bikram has been engaged in providing medical aid at 10 relief camps in Thanga. The remaining 2 doctors handling 24/7 duties have been unable to meet the increasing healthcare demands. They urged District Chief Medical Officer and Medical Directorate to deploy additional doctors soon to address the shortage. A case of alleged medical negligence has emerged at Hillside Hospital, Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai, following the death of a 33-year-old woman, Ngangbam Devala, after childbirth. According to family members, Devala, wife of Ngangbam Bharat from Kuyathong Pukri Achoba, was admitted on February 9 due to discomfort but was discharged after receiving medication. As her condition worsened, she was rushed back to the hospital on February 10 at around 7:30 p.m. Despite signs of distress, the resident medical officer and duty nurses allegedly dismissed the family's concerns, insisting that her oxygen levels were stable despite fluctuating around 87 to 88. The family claims their repeated pleas for oxygen support were ignored. As her condition deteriorated, the hospital advised shifting her to RIMS, Janims or Caesar hospitals but failed to provide an ambulance. Left with no options, the family transported her in a private vehicle, but she tragically passed away before reaching another medical facility. Outraged by the incident, the bereaved family has accused Hillside Hospital of gross medical negligence and demanded strict action against those responsible. Meanwhile, Debala's body has been taken to RIMS morgue for post-mortem as the family seeks justice for her untimely death.
ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯀꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯅꯔꯁ ꯀꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯅꯔꯁꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗꯦ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯊꯛ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯊꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯒꯅꯦꯟ ꯋꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯐꯤꯇꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯥꯎꯟꯕ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯟ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯗꯣ ꯐꯔꯕ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟ ꯅꯦꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟ ꯅꯦꯝꯃꯛꯄꯗꯩ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯂꯤꯟꯗꯔ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯇꯦ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯑꯆꯧ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯗꯕꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ.
Following the death of 33-year-old Ngangbam Devala, Rising Knowledge Club, Khoyathong, Pukrimapal, Thangmaiban, Polem Laikai, Mera Paibi, and family members, including husband of the deceased, carried out a press meet today at the club premises, where family members alleged that Devala's death was caused by gross negligence of the hospital. Speaking to media at the meeting with news persons, sister of the deceased, Lukrakpam Gita, informed that her sister had been a patient of a gynecologist of Jenims who also works in a private hospital. Gita continued that she was admitted at Hillside Hospital on February 9 due to discomfort but was discharged after receiving medication. As her condition worsened, she was rushed back to the hospital on February 10 at around 7:30 p.m. Gita accused Hillside Hospital of gross medical negligence and demanded strict action against those responsible. Meanwhile, Devala's body is being at RIMS morgue for post-mortem.
Nurse doctor matan doctor masama doctor Netazini license ka anbio ma kan am da patient am da yengba ya hanbi kano aduga on duty tare nurse ka do are mo ka do adu mathak ta moina to negligence to adugi mathak matungina moi ju practice to phangan bi kano khoi che de haubuda yeng pane every month check up chaline angang yam phai healthy baby ne hala tamna ko yam haraura ngai ne matam je adu sumai no in to bi re yam pain de moina moi the facility later de you ki bukat pi da hairam bi da ne adu kem hai di kem to de yum da phani hai kem to de da khap ni hai lati da khap ni ngai lati ha ta do re.
Speaking to media at the meeting, Thangmaiban, Polem Laikai, Mera Paibi Executive Member Sundari Loitongbam urged relevant authorities to take strict actions against the doctors by cancelling their medical practice license, nurse and hospital authorities. Lifeless body of Devala and her unborn child are still being kept at RIMS mortuary. Sundari stressed that the demands of Rising Knowledge Club, Thangmaiban, Polem Laikai, Mera Paibi and family members should be fulfilled within 24 hours, and the family will not claim the body until the demands are met.
Medical Directorate nasu akoina hygienic badi Dr. Zoimati ga mari laina daba investigation tawba matamda Zoimati na mari laina raga tawba investigation de koi pam de kaigino da makoi da koi thajadre ba koi gi sigre matung tabada haura iba mayam se magi hospital do laiba Dr. Zoimati amadi magi timna miron bi kaya hathi dori ge ba mama masa kaya hathi ga dori ge ba se dog mathak ta thong da laiba Medical Director na ne yam sengna se asumba miyeng ama changjan biyu asumba langla dan ji puthok piu akoi gi masigi asumba se puthok tri ba phawdi akoi asiba logjagiroi hayeng mak se akoi club na koliba jaga se akoi sit it protest athajagani pung kunmari gi manung sidai sida makoina asumba wayel ama tawbiyu masida tawbida taragadi akan makhongjang mathang changjalakani.
In view of Class 11 and 12 exams of COSM, which will begin from February 17, Imphal West District Magistrate under BNSS Section 163 notified there will be prohibition in assembly of people carrying off weapon or objects which can cause harm and entry of vehicles within 100 meters radius of exam centers. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Safer Internet Day 2025 observance across districts in Manipur. So keep watching Impact News.
Seize the free morning and evening OPD consultation. Mayam de affordable quality healthcare phanganabagi pandamda ayuk pung 7 dagi 13 amasung nungtil pung 1 dagi 3 phawba tongan be specialty trying to gi free OPD consultation pangtokjari. Akupa marol Seize hospitals Langol dagi khangbi yagani.
Mayam haji amna inge ko aduna saba pambiraga di mezo hopte lengsin biro aduga gizar makal loi lezere ko 10% 20% 30% khak pizaba nati ko up to 60% ko haji discount lezere se adum thobal branch ta ju phangani aduga main branch ta ju phangani ko mayam laksin biro
Hi friends, adom na gari thau hapam matam dadi afaba thau hamna bone. Adom gi khwaidagi maru riba liver gi damukta di kari section thorang lo biri. Novocam health care gi original lipsa 5G na adom gi liver buson badai ngak thol. Liver gi mapangang kangkalan batana tana hakchang pumbagi energy hengalali chaba tumali acidity hantali. Sizinabiyo original lipsa 5G.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. One-day district-level awareness workshop on Safer Internet Day was conducted at Khangsim Community Hall in Machi Subdivision, Technopole District today. The workshop was organized by District Administration Technopole in collaboration with National Informatics Center NIC Technopole District Unit. Held under the theme Together for a Better Internet, the workshop focused on promoting safe and responsible Internet uses among the public. Experts highlighted the importance of adhering to Internet safety norms and discussed measures to protect users from online threats. Key officials present at the event included Technopole SP Rahul Gupta, Machi SDO Nazmul Huda Khan, Deputy Conservator of Forest Mahmouda Begum and CMO Technopole. National Informatics Center NIC Bishnupur and District Administration of Bishnupur also observed Safer Internet Day at Mini Secretariat Complex Bishnupur Conference Hall today. Chandil District Administrations and National Informatics Center NIC Chandil District jointly carried out district-level awareness workshop Safer Internet Day on the theme Together for a Better Internet today. Deputy Commissioner L. Nandakumar inaugurated the district-level awareness workshop. District Informatics Officer Ngamba Tokchom gave presentations on proper usage of Internet. Kukching District Administrations in collaboration with NIC Kukching held a district-level workshop on Safer Internet Day. Resource persons Langpok Lakpam David, Network Engineer NIC Kukching and Tokchom Mangichan, District Rollout Manager NIC Kukching, spoke on cyber threats in today's information technology age. Thoubal District Administrations and National Informatics Center NIC Thoubal District Unit also carried out a district-level awareness workshop Safer Internet Day on the theme Together for a Better Internet today. The program was held at the DC Office Complex Counting Hall. Speaking at the program, Deputy Commissioner stressed on proper usage of Internet. Legal awareness on HIV/AIDS Prevention and Control Act 2017 for educational professionals of Imphal East District was held today at MSACS Conference Hall. The legal awareness was carried out by Community Network for Empowerment, CONE, under the aegis of Manipur State AIDS Control Society. Teachers from different schools and staff of JEO Office Porampat attended the program. State Ombudsman Officer Dr. KH Sashi Kumar Mangang attended as resource person. Speaking at the awareness program, CONE President R.K. Nalini Kanta stated that the awareness is being carried out to familiarize the HIV/AIDS Prevention and Control Act 2017 to address the issues and ill treatments being faced by people who are living with HIV/AIDS. Saikul MLA Kim Neo Haukip Hang Singh has visited Hand of God School in Gwaltabi, Senapati District and distributed study materials to the students. The visit aimed to assess the school's conditions and encourage students in their academic pursuits. The MLA was accompanied by representatives from KSO Saikul, Bungpi and Ukrul. During the visit, she interacted with the school authorities and reviewed the infrastructure and facilities. Tangkhul Nagalong TNL strongly opposes the transfer order of Ukrul Deputy Commissioner Juringla Kengu. TNL on February 10 held a meeting with relevant authorities to withdraw the DC's transfer order, but there has been no positive response so far. TNL has reaffirm its stance against the transfer, asserting that Juringla Kengu should continue serving as the DC of Ukrul. Meanwhile, in connection with the pending release of MGNREGS material component funds for the financial year 2023-24, the All Hunfun Tang Association has locked down Ukrul Mini Secretariat DC office and SDO office, pressing for the immediate disbursement of the funds. In a gesture of solidarity, Amudon Akamlaikai Apunbalo base in Sagolban Tera Amudon Akamlaikai has distributed essential relief materials to village volunteers of Kautuk village in Imphal West district. A program marking 100 years of Monsang community embracing Christianity was held today at Chandel District Mission Center, Koribung, Jaffo. National Council of Baptist Churches of India General Secretary Samares Nayak unveiled a monument to commemorate the occasion. Organized by Monsang Naga Baptist Churches Association and Monsang Naga Christian Centenary Celebration 1925 to 2025, the event saw participation from various associations of Chandel and Tengnopal districts. Gifts were also presented to attendees. A workshop on National Education Policy 2020 Prospects and Way Forward was held today at the headquarters of Central Agricultural University, CAU Imphal in Lamphel. The event was organized by CAU Imphal in collaborations with Vidya Bharati Akhil Bhartiya Siksha Sansthan, New Delhi. During the workshop, Vidya Bharati National President Ramakrishna Rao delivered a talk on past and present policies of education adopted by the Government of India. CAU Imphal Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra, Dean Professor Indira Sarangtem, Director of Research Dr. L.M. Garnayak, Vidya Bharati Northeast Region Organizing Secretary Dr. Pawan Tiwari, IIIT Manipur's Dr. Kishorjit Nongmaikapam, Manipur University's IQAC Director Professor Rasmani Singha and NIT Manipur's Dr. Manglem attended the event among others. Water supply will be ceased temporarily from February 12 till 14 due to repair work of main pipeline of Taubal Dam Chingkai Ching Water Treatment Plant. A notice issued by PHED Manipur urged general public to kindly bear the inconveniences. Now the sports news. Manipur secured 4 more medals in the ongoing 38th National Games in Uttarakhand, winning 2 in fencing and 2 in judo yesterday. In fencing, Meena Naurem claims a gold medal, while Sonia Waikom secured a bronze. In judo, Mataulaibi Chanu won bronze in the 52 kg category and Anita Chanu bagged another bronze in the 57 kg category. With these latest additions, Manipur's overall medal count has reached 43, comprising 13 gold, 13 silver and 17 bronze medals. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. No CM announcement yet. Suspended animation recommended in Manipur. President's rule not yet. CLP leader Okram Ibobi criticizes resignation of Chief Minister N. Biren just a day before scheduled assembly sessions, calling it a disrespect to the public and their grievances. Rajya Sabha MP Semba Sanajjawa demands proper implementations of Manipur Merger Agreement 1949 during the budget sessions 0 hour in Parliament today. And district administrations across Manipur observe Safer Internet Day 2025 on Together for a Better Internet theme. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Come up next, Primetime Manipur Bulletins. Have a great evening and stay safe.